Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can quickly and easily clear Gmail search history on your Android phone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure to put your likes under the video and also write your comments after watching. And let's friends, you and I are going to get down to this topic. And now I'm going to show you everything in detail and step by step. First of all, you will need to find and open the Gmail app itself on your Android device. After that, on the top left, click on the three bars. You will get a menu like this. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on the Settings option. In Settings, select General Settings. Now here on this page on the top right side of the page, click on the three dots. After that, select the Clear Search History option. You will be warned that your search history will be cleared and whether you really want to do it or not. If yes, then just confirm your action by clicking Clear. So in just a few seconds, you can easily clear your search history on Gmail on your Android. Hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please put your likes below the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you, friends.